Every manufacturing company on the planet is talking about data, how they can improve their manufacturing process, how they keep the machines running longer, whether they call it Industry 4.0 or manufacturing intelligence or digital transformation. It's really all about data. In a typical proof of concept, they spend a lot of time cleaning the data. They talk about data janitor work, where your smart people are really going to spend 50, 70, 80% of their time just pulling data together, cleaning it, putting it into a spreadsheet before they can use the tools to do the smart thing that you're paying them for. So about 2.5 years ago, Microsoft and OSIsoft were talking about these problems. So working together, we created a joint program called the Red Carpet Incubation Program, or RCIP for short.
For the RCIP program, what really brought our interest was the ability to deliver value in a short period of time. So focus and deliver.
We work with the customer to identify a use case, identify the data, what you have and what you need, install the software, get the data streaming into Azure, and put it in the hands of your experts to do some BI dashboarding or even some preliminary machine learning models.
When we entered the project, things went super smoothly because we had people that were in the different roles really necessary for a successful data science project.
The fit was extremely good. The complementarity of capabilities was excellent. So that was, I think, key to the success.
And then what OSIsoft was able to bring was really a really good understanding of operations data and a good understanding of how to model that and how to prepare that specifically for an analytics and data science project.
The end-to-end is 4 to 6 weeks, not 6 to 12 months. At the end of that time period, you've got data in the hands of your experts uncovering real value. It's your production data, your production systems. It's not just a proof of concept with some playground data. So it's the right tools, you know it will scale, and you know what you can do with it coming out of the RCIP with the roadmap.
We were able to identify specific areas where we could improve on, and those areas now we're working on in order to bring those improvements onto the shop floor.
Maybe something that would have taken a few weeks took a lot less time, and we were able to complete that project within the time frame that we had, and everybody was super happy, and it was a very successful project.
One of the key elements which come out of it is not just to know what the tool can do, but also what are the capabilities we internally need to develop. So now we know much better what we need to do in order to scale it up and reap the benefits.
We've done projects around process optimization, critical asset monitoring, predictive maintenance, and even energy management. Typical proof of concept is more like a science experiment. The RCIP uses your actual production systems, your actual production data, to connect the data to your experts and to the new tools. So when you come out of it, you know what you have running. You've already got it running. So people are struggling to just understand what the tools can do for them. And they're trying to craft these big business cases to justify a 6-month or a 12-month project. But with RCIP, you get off the ground in just a few weeks. It's small, it's bite-sized, it's very easy to get approval, it's very easy to get your experts involved. If you understand the why, we can show you the how.